Great. Well, Karin Carr, welcome to EasyAgentPro. And we're just going to do a little profile here. It is we get to talk sometimes on the phone, but really just want to share a little bit about who you are and what you're up to and about with our audience as well. So appreciate you joining me here today.
No, thank you for asking me. That's great.
Awesome. So we've got basically about 7 questions here, and give or take 7 minutes. So let's just jump in there, right? So this is easy. You're busy. You don't have a lot of time. Our audience is busy. They don't have a lot of time. Let's not belabor the point, right? So for folks who don't know you, just give us a quick snapshot. Who is Karin Carr?
Okay. I've been licensed since 2005. I got licensed in Northern California. After about 8 years there, I was doing very well, but my mom and dad lived in Georgia, and they were getting older, and we wanted to be closer to them. So we just bit the bullet and decided, let's just move cross country. I mean, we've been talking about it for a couple of years. There's really never any good time. It's kind of like having a baby. There's never a good time. You're never ready for it. So we finally just said, let's do it. And we got to Hilton Head, South Carolina. A year later, my husband's company transferred him to Atlanta. We were there for 2.5 years, but we really wanted to be back here, so we moved again. So in the 13 years that I've been licensed, I've started my real estate career in 4 different markets. So it's insane. I'm kind of the queen at relocating.
That is awesome. So so recently you had a big opportunity. What can you tell us about that?
I did. So I've been having a lot of success using video in my business, and Inman Connect invited me to speak at their San Francisco conference this past July. So I got to be on the big stage at Inman Connect, which is a huge ballroom that holds 1,500 people, and it was really exciting.
That is awesome. That is congratulations. That's a beautiful thing to be recognized. Just have an opportunity to share what's going on.